Hey everybody, what I'm going to do today is show you how to download the recorder for Kaltura so you can record video lectures. So what I'm going to do is come over here to My Media and click on this. And then on this blue button right here, select Capture Space. And what you'll see is options to download the desktop recorder. Okay, so I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click Download for Mac. If you're on a PC, use that one. Okay, once you have downloaded the recorder, okay, you see here it says, please launch the Kaltura Capture Space desktop recorder from the Add New menu on your website. I'm just going to click OK there. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go back here to My Media, come over here to Add New, and click on Capture Space. Here it asks me to open the recorder. Okay, so this is a recorder that will stay on your computer and allow you to record what's on your screen through voice and or screen and webcam, or just your screen. Okay, I'm going to minimize that for a moment. All right, so I'm going to come back over here to the course home page. I'm going to pull up a PowerPoint. So here is a PowerPoint presentation that I have. It's actually an extra credit project that I have for my students in my U.S. history course. They have to create a Facebook page for one of the founding fathers. So if I were to record this, what I would do is I would use these tools over here to record. Usually just do the screen and the voice. So if I click on that, it'll ask me, do I want the full screen or do I want to just do a selected area? And I usually do the full screen, and then I click record. It's going to count it down for me. And then I'm going to talk about the PowerPoint. I can even switch the slides to the next one or the next one, and then also the next one. Okay, and when I'm finished, I can just click on this little multicolored star right here, and you can see that the recording is in progress. If I'm finished, then I can just hit done. If not, I have this drawing tool that I could draw on. Change the color if I want. Okay. Some various tools right here that you can use. Okay, you could pause it, you can just cancel it all together if you just want to start over, but for the most part I'm going to select that I'm done, and it's going to tell me that it's processing. Okay, so I'm going to once it's through processing, it's going to go ahead and show you what the file is. Okay, so you can do some editing here. You can trim, you can chop, and whatnot. Once you have this done, my toolbar is almost hiding this. You can just click Done. Then it will ask you to title it. And you can either save it or you can upload it. I'm just going to click Upload. Okay, once you have clicked upload, you will be able to see your video here in the My Media. And I didn't title mine, so if you title yours, you can see it listed right here. This may take a few minutes. You may have to refresh the screen, but this is where it will appear. So if I click on this, I'll see the video, okay? And if I click the share button right here, this is going to give me an embed code. If you copy this code, okay, you can go into content, and you can add it. Okay, if I just go in here and I do, there's two ways you can do it. You can just click on video audio and it'll ask for that embed code. You can just paste it right there, give it a title, and then click save. Okay, and it appears right there. Or in your video module, you can create a file, and this is one of those HTML pages. Okay, you can write some stuff, maybe introducing the video, maybe adding some pictures or a web link if you're doing a whole lesson. But then if you click right here on this insert stuff and click enter embed code, you can paste the embed code there and then insert, and then you can insert into this file page and then publish that. Then when you look at your video, okay, one's a video and then the other is a web page. Okay, so that's how you can do a lecture video and put it into your course. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at COOL